everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I have moved on to the third element in my seven Crafter's Choice for the Lucky Charm swap. This is a swap hosted by Lacy with the Cheeky Bum, and my swap partner is Ursula. She is on Instagram at Arctic Glam. So this is the rainbow that I am on. I will link below the videos that I did showing the shamrock and the heart elements that I did. So first things first, I have used this Swap Diva Designs die. It's the rainbow, and it's a little pocket, so it's a pocket die set. It's a very shallow pocket, so if you want to put something in there thicker, then you need to create some additional flaps for it, or maybe put two of these together, but I didn't need mine very thick, so I used that. And then I used this Swap Sentiment Shadow Words from what is this, KS Crafts. Okay, and then I also used a cauldron die that I had in my stash. I do not remember where I got that. It was a very long time ago. And then the last thing I used is this Magical Times bag topper, also from KS Craft, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's get started here. I cut this out. I used some black foam to go ahead and pop this up. And then I just used a Velcro dot from my stash. I have this bag in here, so I put, this is just a little notebook that I'm adding. And then I have 3 of these little pockets, rainbow pockets. So let me show you here. I have this one that says just for you. I created the rainbow, and the way that I did this with the rainbow is I pulled out my colored cardstock, just my scrap pieces, and I just started die cutting. You know, put one color in there, it makes 3 different rainbows on this side, and then the other one makes 4 different rainbows sections using this piece. And so then you just layer them up. So all of my rainbows are different, but I ended up making 3 rainbows for this project using scrap. So how good is that? So this says just for you. And then I went ahead in my stash, I pulled out some Project Life cards, these rainbows, and these are my pot of goals. I have them on removable glue dots, but I used some stickers, and I used some gold sequins. I used some gold sparkly glitter cardstock that I received from Country Craft Creations, and I just made the gold kind of spilling out. The bottom of this pot is from a rolling pin die, and then I just cut off the edges so I could have those nubs on the bottom. And then the sides of the cauldron pot, the little handles, I just trimmed those off. So this is just layered up, and again, some stickers. I used some of my little powder tool from EK Tools that I picked up from Country Craft Creations a while back, in order to put that on the back side of the stickers here so that they are not sticky. And so that is my little pot of gold, and I stuck that, just stick that right in there. I cut some cardstock for the back to just make it different colors. This is the second one. And this one says, "Hello, Crafter." And then that's the back side. Those just slide right in there. And then this is the third one. Again, another one that says, just for you. I have it on some gray paper. I think this is leftover paper from Country Craft Creations as well. And then I just took a piece of artisan cardstock. I went ahead and used my pokey tool to poke 2 holes in it. I have some what do you call this, twine, waxed twine, and just shove that in and put the little bead dangle on there and tied it in a knot on the back. And so I thought that was cute to give to my partner, so she has something, a little something just for her. So what are we going to do? I'm going to open this up. I'm going to put these back in here for the packaging, so I have that rainbow background. I want to have this gold one on top, and then stick those in there. like so. And then I pulled out some of these clay bits, and I'm just going, they're all different colors, so a little rainbow of colors of little flowers, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of those in there and get them all over my desk as well. Oh my goodness. And then we will stick that right in there, close it up, actually close it, close that, and now we have a little shaker bit too, which makes some noise. So I think that that's fun, and I hope that you have enjoyed this little project share, and this is my package for sending out the door. Okay, everybody, until next time, happy crafting, you all. Make sure you give some love to Lacy at the Cheeky Bum, and over on Instagram at Arctic Gloom to Ursula. Thank you so much. Until next time, happy crafting, you all. Bye.